Every day, before the world wakes up, a dedicated team gears up for a mission. A mission that's crucial for our community. These are the dedicated staff of Fairfax County's Solid Waste Management Program, our unsung heroes in the journey towards sustainability.
Every can, every bottle, every leaf.
It all adds up.
We're not just collecting waste.
We're protecting our community.
Their work goes beyond collection and disposal. It's about maintaining a healthy community. It's about connection, education, and making a difference. Each item recycled, each mile covered, contributes to a larger goal: a cleaner, greener Fairfax County. Another chance to make a difference, another day to lead the way in sustainability. Be the change with Fairfax County's Solid Waste Management Program.